Hey guys, Fantastic Rocket, and today we are going to be doing a rocket launch thing with Ollie. Hi. And Matty.
Hi guys.
And what we need today is vinegar, white vinegar, baking soda, and a little mini rocket that goes bang. And yeah, we're doing it outside. And yeah.
See you outside. See you on the launch pad.
Hey guys, welcome back. And now we are just about to do the rocket thing, aren't we, Ollie?
The second part.
Yeah, the second part.
Different stuff.
Obviously,
Vinegar.
here we go. So you mixing the vinegar of the white vinegar. I think it's brown white vinegar. Mixing it up so we can go really high. And yeah, here we go. Here we go. That was quite good.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I did.
Let's see that one. Yeah. Right, ready?
Mhm.
Hi guys, that was our rocket experiment. For those that are wondering how the rocket comes to life, here's the science behind it. When you mix a vinegar with the rocket fuel, baking soda, you get a chemical reaction to occur. This kind of reaction is called a combustion, and it happens when two or more substances are mixed and cause a gas called CO2, carbon dioxide, to be released. When the pressure from the released gas gets high enough, blast off! Inside, the rocket is ejected and remaining water sends the rocket skywards. Thanks for watching our video, guys. Here's a bit of science and a bit of fun. Click to subscribe. I've been here with...
What's up? Of course, it's my channel.
It is. Got a guest appearance from the Ulster. Cheers, guys.
Bye.
Bye.